Hey guys, welcome to section 2 of this course where we'll talk about security. Now, this is a concept which will come to you every single day throughout your Dynamics 365 career. So I would let you be the best judge to determine its importance. Now, you must be wondering what security I am talking about and where is this gonna help us? Alright, so security in terms of Dynamics customer engagement means who should have access to what data. Now, this line is very important and very simple. Who should have access to what data? Of course, data is the most expensive resource any organization has. So, it's our utmost responsibility to respect its integrity and privacy. Now, talking about the goals, what we'll get out of it, or what we should consider, it's very simple. Users should be able to view the data, which their role entitles, and to enable sharing for collaboration among peers for the data which is not owned by them. Alright? Simple concepts. Now that we know what security we are talking about or what is being discussed here, let's establish the pillars of security. There are multiple ways of enabling security in Dynamics, and all of them can be divided into majorly these pillars. First comes is role-based security. We use security roles to basically grant privileges to tasks that a user or a team can perform in CRM. The second thing is record-based security, where basically this uses access rights to determine the actions that can be performed by a user or a team on a certain record. Basic stuff. The third thing is hierarchy security. In layman terms, a simple concept of getting access to hierarchical data. Example, your boss.